informative, entertaining, and straight to the point. News Avenue, where the truth meets the streets.
Shoot, mfethu. News Avenue Sizwe Plus igama sibuyile asifika ngasigalelekile uyazi into eziningi zenzekayo kwipolitics kulesikhathi siphila kusona njengamanje kuningi futhi esizokhuluma nesihambeli sethu esiqavile uVukani Ndlovu sivakashela uVukani Ndlovu onobhala weEFF la eKZN angibingelele Gatsheni.
Ngiyabingelela mfowethu Sizwe Plus ngijabule kakhulu ngibonge futhi ukuthi us-invite lana nje ngobuholi Economic Freedom Fighters KwaZulu-Natal.
Okujabulisa kakhulu ukuthi ke la kule podcast asikhethi sibiza wonke umuntu esikwenzayo nje it's irrespective of political affiliation siyakubiza ukuthi ozochaza istory sakho njenge-EFF into esibihlupha kakhulu ukuthi EFF siyazi vocal ngezinto but kuthe nje wekwenzeka izinto especially KZN EFF ke yathi nje angazi noma ishaya upause noma ivele yapaka but uVukani uzosithatha sibe ukuthi kwenzakalani kwi-EFF. By the way, before siqale lengxoxo la kwi-News Avenue ake sithole uVukani ngimazi kudala eseyimember ye-ANC member futhi ye-ANC Youth League kwathi bekuphuma uMalema uVukani naye waphuma noMalema kanti wena usupport ubuntu noma ama-policies.
Lude kakhulu uhambo esasilihambile siqale nje kakhulu sibancane in the ANC Youth League. I was once the secretary of the branch of the ANC, once the secretary of the region of the ANC Youth League, convened the ANC Youth League province of KwaZulu-Natal, which means I was leading national structure in the executive committee, now provincial executive committee of the Youth League, and that of the ANC. So it was because of the policies at the time.
Close to Julius.
Very close also to the former Secretary General of the ANC Youth League, Cindy Somagaqa, Chairman. We were very close. So when what we were advocating for at that time, which is the economic freedom agenda, when it did not find the expression in the ANC at that time, all of us that were associated with that agenda, then we took a conscious decision to say, let's move and form a political party.
Kodwa ke ilokhuzana igazi lenu la remain li black, green and yellow.
Not really.
Sekushintshile lo.
You can't divorce the fact that we are all coming from the ANC, most of us, and the agenda thereof. We just changed the vehicles to say now we are advocating for the economic freedom. What others thought that was enough ukuthi sibe nenkululeko nje, democracy. To us it was not all about democracy leyo ukuthi siyakwazi ukungena la abantu abamnyama bebengangeni khona sengena abelungu khona. It's not enough imali noma umnotho impilo engcono singenayo because yiyo zokwazi ukuthi sikwazi uku-afforda ukuphila.
Yeah, no, Vukani mhlambe omunye umuntu uzothanda futhi nokwazi ukuthi uVukani ubani, uzalelwe wakholela kuphi, afunda kuphi.
uVukani uzalelwe kwaMasha esinqanqaweni kwa-H. Ngifunde koThando Kwazi, ngafunda koMukelani, ngaqeda enqaba kaZulu. I went to a duty. uVukani umfana kwaMashu, ukhulele nje kwaMashu. I've lived all my life kwaMashu.
Yini Musa yini ekwenze wabona ukuthi kungcono manje ngijoin ipolitics wa decide ukuthi football joiner into yepolitics wa decide ukuthi ngcono ngijoin iAfrican National Congress because I strongly believe ukuthi bebaningi ama organizations abekhona njengo Azapo, PAC ngalezo ikhathi I think no ANC and IFP inkathi bekhona kuse inkathi enkululeko yesizwe assume but wena wavele wa choose ANC.
Sizwe at the time sikhula thina it was not a matter of choice ukuthi I want to join. I remember very well sifunda eThandokwazi. You know, section A is just across the road.
Yeah.
Is same portion,
Yeah.
section A. So laphana kwakuvele uma ziqala zizohlasela la ka G. Kufanele idlule eThandokwazi. So we had to be mobilized ngaso sonke isikhathi as even before sifike go 14 years. At that time sazi ukuthi kufanele sibeka amatshe lana ukuze uma ziza we are the first ones abazomemeza ukuthi nazi sesizongena kuqale thina la sijikjele ngamatshe. Same story amasingyora enqaba kaZulu, I mean emukelani. It was the same issue mabezongena eVuyiso Mtolo because kwakhelene we were mobilized as well ukuthi sizolekelela ekujikjeleni amatshe. So lento yaqala kanjalo yokuthi lento yepolitiki ingene. Then we went back endaweni esihlala kuzona kwakunamabrazo ayekhona vela aziwa ukuthi ayazabalaza. We inspired ukuthi nathi si join lento. Well ke mina ke ubaba omncane wami had also gone to exile uToys. So there was just that inspiration yokuthi hey no lento lena iyaphila le yokuzabalaza. So
But why ANC? Because kwakunezinye inhlangano njabusho mhlawumbe kwayikhona iIFP. I think iIFP based kuma policies
Yes.
pusha kakhulu federalism.
Yeah.
Kube khona iANC yo nationalization esingazi ukuthi iqine yenzekile noma yenzekile. So ngibheka into enjalo azapho bebeqhakambisa kakhulu umuntu omnyama iPAC kwi-issue yeland. Wena wathi ngizohamba nalapho.
To tell you an honest truth, ANC was very much relevant at that time. Was on the ground with the people. You know, you will never go any street without being mobilized by umuntu we-ANC at that time. You know, ayikho into ngalesa sikhathi before sithole inkululeko eyayingayikhuluma iANC eyayikhombisa ukuthi umuntu omnyama kufanele azibone amongst those within iANC. So you will hardly find babekhona abantu bebo azapho no PAC, but you know, at some point in time thina sikhula laba abantu beazapho kwakungathi it's just an elite group of some sort, yabo. La ngathi bafaka amabhare bawatshekise bengakhulumi politics. That was on the ground.
Mhlambe ipolitics yawo was too complicated.
You know, for us at the time,
no,
yes.
But sahleli naye uvukani Ndlovu unobhala we-EFF la kwi-province. Ziningi izinto esisafuna ukumbuza zona besabreak i-ice. Getting to ama-real issues manje Vukani. Izinto ziyenzeka kwi-EF, I mean la e-country, especially KZN because ngoko proximity ngizothi so sticka kakhulu ku KZN issues. But ziyenzeka izinto kodwa iEFF ibonakala ithuli.
Well, I angazi ukuthi ukuthula in what sense? Because asithulanga, we issue statements, we are on the ground, we comment, you know, on social media and everywhere else. Last bizwe khona njengoba namhlanje usibizile safika. So mhlawumbe we just need to break that new ground of saying, you know, siya kuphi nini kanjani. Mhlambe our voice is not heard kangako eKZN ngoba mhlambe abantu esikhuluma nabo at that time are not taking ivoice yethu to abantu bakwaZulu Natal. But ke siyazi futhi ukuthi ikhona lento ethi iEFF ngoba kwesinye isikhathi ikhuluma izinto ezingathandeki, abantu abangafuni ukuzizwa ezikhona kodwa abangafuni ukuzizwa. Generally nje ikhona lo element.
Bengichecka ama-7 cardinal pillars eEFF. To me, enzi sense wona wonke umuntu omnyama ophile eSouth Africa.
Yes.
Enzi sense, especially le yokugcina ekhuluma la ethinta corruption.
Yes.
Bengichecka Vukani manje kuphume u left Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi wakhuluma izinto strong kakhulu but ngibona iEFF ngathi ayikho voice yayo, understand, to an extent mhlawumbe even national, because nawe uzovumelana nami kwaba nesimo sokuthi awu wathula kangaka manje uCommander in Chief ukhona yini naye akwaziyo ngalento ngendlela asethuli ngayo up until abhoboke kwenye press briefing. I think babeyofihla uDidi Mabuza, but lokhu kuthula kwenu kusho lukhulu, especially eKZN. Mhlawumbe question yami ngingayibuza ukuthi bengingabuza nje, is i-communication yenu centralized?
Not really. We've got a spokesperson at the provincial level. We've got leadership.
Waka-Blows.
No, manje Chris Msibi, akusena Chris Msibi.
Namxosha lo waka-Blows.
No, wakhethwa national. So use national. That's like myself. He's a commissar now. National akasekho province. So zanyuka.
Okay, no,
Yeah.
siyabonga.
Now ngicabanga ukuthi sizwe iEFF singabanye boqala sike saba nemashi lana to support uMkhwanazi. Sayise officeini lakho uMkhwanazi to say we support you. Nanoma ngabe yini oyenzayo, but you should know ukuthi iEFF is behind you all the way. Yithi esikwenzile lokho saphumela obala samasha.
So who's failing iEFF la, especially province ifuna ukwazi ukwenza izinto enjalo but enjoy support even near media for that particular matter? Because I follow the news. I know what is happening because I follow the news. If EFF is silent, I can tell ukuthi EFF voice yayo ayikho.
No, it's not really. I cannot say. But njoba ngisho ngithi mhlambe yini ningas-assist, you know, ukuthi zisebenza njani into ze-media, but we're there not only once. We've done demonstrations.
So it's in a position
the
yenu
past
nje.
3 weeks we've done demonstration to all police stations in KZN in support of Mkhwanazi.
But benikwenza but kungaveli kufana nokuthi benidilele naleya community abantu abawu-500 or less, understand that, but bokwenza kuye kubantu kufinyelele kubantu futhi lapho, especially now kunane social media. Say for argument's sake i-media is ignoring you, but nama followers kwi social media as well, understand. Heads githi why EFF kube sengathi ayikho. Ngicela ukubona iEFF, correct me if I'm wrong, was when this guy threatenishwa amaphoyisa ebaleka ulo ubani uMongezi, uMongezi qala ngagcina laphi iEFF ukuthi ngibone iTV le yase KZN.
No, my brother.
La futhi eveza ubugwala kodwa hlele ngathi kuyaliwa kodwa amaphoyisa akhuluma kabili kathathu sabona enyamalala.
No, you know, my brother, I think, you know, to be honest, you know, we are busy rebuilding the organization. We're busy rebuilding the organization where you also, correctly so, you feel like the EFF, ayibonakali kahle. It's a work in progress. We will definitely get there. But we are on the ground trying to do the work of the organization, and we have acknowledged that we must rebuild. That's why even myself as a person obekhetwe as a commissar organization yati buya uze KZN, because we have identified what maybe there is a weakness somewhere. Come back and strengthen the organization. Let's strengthen the organization because kufanele kube kubantu. That's exactly what we are doing. So angifuni ukuba too defensive on what you are saying, because umuntu wemedia, if uthi awusiboni, we must take that a constructive criticism and go back and work on it as part of rebuilding the organization, because kulezi insuku awukwazi ukusebenza without taking yourself to the public. Babone imisebenzi emihlo yenzayo, singaboni ngoba kusasa sekuthiwa ubanjwe wenza into embi, then we are trender noma wenza izinto ezinhle emphakathini, of which we do.
Angizothi mina mhlambe ngibe nenhlanhla ukuthi ngisondelane noVukani mhlambe befika la sengiyazi ukuthi bake bahambele ingane or imphakathi yabantu abakhubazekile beyivizitha bexoxa nabo manje uphuma kwesinye isikole isikamashu nakhona futhi luck ukuthi ngithole
Yes.
kunama issues anjengawo magaqa. If I may ask nje ithini position ye-EFF especially KZN.
Hey, we fully support our investigation and so on. The arrest, you know, there have been so much of delays in terms of the arrest. Remember this former municipal manager that has been arrested now,
Yeah.
provisionally, his cases were withdrawn 8 years ago. Imagine 8 years ago, which means the justice has been delayed for the past 8 years. Because, you know, whatever political reasons, which we strongly believe that whatever that delayed was influenced politically. The former legislature speaker, you know, passed on without justice being served. But we are happy that today the former Secretary General, Sindiso Magaqa, is finding justice. All those that were involved today, some are already behind bars, and abanye they are still nalaba abangakaphumi, because manje masekufika ku-municipal manager kufuneka all mastermind. I think we must, all of us, honestly pray and support Umkhwanazi, because zonke lezi zinto kubukeka ngazathi the cracks that are in the subs have allowed ukuthi kube ne breakthrough in the most of our cases akhona, which has not been resolved. Look at what has recently happened with the cases of Abo DJ Base.
Yeah.
Yes, it's because of what we strongly believe it's because of what Mkhwanazi has said, the drugs issue, politicians being involved as well. So it is working, that thing. And it was issues of corruption, lento kamagaqa, and sicabanga ukuthi nabanye who are involved in the issues of corruption abayeke o food nutrition noba nabame kulento
Mina
corruption.
ngisenza lapho ukuthi ngifuna manje ngi-understand ukuthi ithini position ye-EFF because bengingakezwa kunabama ministers or a minister that is implicated kwindaba ye-food nutrition kube sekuba nale ethinta kakhulu indaba yomsakazi nokuxoshwa and all the stuff ukusolakala any colleague yenu eninayo la kwipolitiki ukuthi ngathi bene-influence but bengingakezwa i-EFF ungixolele ngizolele ngiyi-breaker down because ziyafika you understand ngisafuna ukuya nawe iposition yenu ngokosenzo meyiwa but ukuthi i-EFF kahle kahle KZN because there is why ngithi proximity counts la lo mfana lo wala eMlazi understand unobhala we-EFF usifanele sazi ukuthi bathini ngama issues athinta umphakathi direct. Bongangibekela nje lento eyenzakalayo ethinta labo ngqongqoshe ababili bala eKZN ithini EFF. We scared to talk.
Lokhu kwe food nutrition we are very clear. Uma kunama issues corruption yoku-awardwa kwabantu abasondelene nongqongqoshe, njengoba kubekwa nje lapha ukuthi i-company was first registered egameni lika Sipho Hlomuka was the MEC wa education, ngapha kukhona abanye abafaka amakhosikazi abo bagcina bethola o food nutrition abafika ko 10. Uma lokho can be investigated as evidence, abantu abehle ezikhundleni ababoshwe makufanele baboshwe. We are very clear on that because uwe oshilo wakhuluma ngama 7 cardinal pillars wethu athi open, accountable and corrupt free government. Now siba kanjani no government that is corrupt free uma abahlonishwa be involve eyintweni eyithinta amathenda. I mean yiko thina sithi lento ama tenders must be abolished in those 7 cardinal pillars. We are saying ama tenders must be abolished because uma ungqongqoshe uhleli lana kufana nomuntu osekhishini opheka ukudla. There is always a temptation yokutaste ukudla okuphekayo. It's the same thing uma ungqongqoshe ukhipha amathenda. There's always a temptation ukuthi wathi nginika usizo, wathi nginika uvukani, wathi nginika unkosikazi wami. Yikho sithi awaphelekela amathenda. So ke we support whatever investigation okufuna yenzeke kuleyanto because uthola ukuthi lezi zinto ezilokhu zikhishelwa abangani kanjena igcina iservice ingenzakalanga ezikoleni uthola ukuthi ingane ayisakuthola ukudla because of lezi zinto ezenzakalayo nanokuthi ke uma honestly usizwe kubhuti wami esethola ithenda lento ye proximity okusho ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi isebenzile. Uyabona ilesilwa nayo ke yokuthi uma kukhona into enjalo bekhona abantu abahluphekayo nabahlwempu outside abayidingayo lemsebenzi but izotholwa abantu that can afford. Uyabona so ke yikho iposition ethi clear yokuthi qeda le nto if uhulumeni kufuna azenzele yona that process akazenzele because at the end of the day ingane efune zidle esikoleni lokhu kangqongqoshe ukuthi ke ube ne-influence ngeke sazi Nkosi yami. Well MEC uNomagugu Simelane MEC waka health angazi ukuthi ke uhlangana kanjani kulokhu
ima ngichazele wona Mr Dlovu ngendlela abathi ungena ngayo.
Yes
Kunento yokuthi into yakwa media nanomna yipi surviving advertising.
Okay
Place ama advert bakwazi nabo ukholela abantu bakwazi ukwenza zonke izinto afanele bazenze bayirun and lawo ma advert half of the time abanye bawathola kwi government like kube nezikhangiso zezinto zaka health ikhangiso zezinto zaka economic development njalo understand if kune situation ethi nango umsakazi wenza mhlambe ongathi kuphambene nezimiso because uJacinta I think wenza lento bathi yini bayibiza ngani march and march so lelwisana nabantu bokufika eCountry. Ngiyayisho lethi ngoba ngazi noma uyawubalekela deliberately le question ngoba ngiyazi uyayazi lento engichaza sengaba ukuthi lo muntu lowana owenza kanje yethi thina sifaka imali engaka kule institution yenu asizwa kahle. Understand that ibisingena kanjalo institution ingene kwi pressure ukuthi ayimhoxise lo umuntu because if ingamhoxisi it means if ithola 8 million njalo on monthly basis bazowuluza lo 8 million. Understand that ibisithatha decision nge-employee yayo. I'm not saying or insinuating ukuthi le case kwenzeke kanjalo kodwa usuke wathi awazi ukuthi kuhlakala kanjani ihealth nomuntu.
But you know Sizwe, I think you know what we did not wanted to dive into i-relationship ka Nomagugu MEC no Jacinta is not new. They've engaged even before. You must investigate that. So we don't want to be found into, you know, engaging with space. Esingaqali manje. They've worked before. Bangahlukana kahle. You know, so it is the second time. Whether it is genuine this time around or not, we don't know. But we know that in the first place, akuzange kwahamba kahle when Jacinta was there. You know, so angifuni ukuthi singene kakhulu kulezo zinto, but it is true ukuthi okusho ukuthi kungenzeka ubudlelwane babo abukaze buphinde bube right ngaphambilini. Angisho ukuthi uyamsukela, kungenzeka ukuthi what Jacinta is saying is true. But all I'm saying is that i-relationship yabo ayikho
kahle
kahle.
mina ngiyakuzwa sikhuluma noVukandlovu uVukandlovu usuka lapha kwakuba economic freedom fighters unobhala kule province yase KZN yazi azizwanga kahle nakhe sephuma futhi uMongiza angazi mhlawumbe mina ezangiluza
Aphuma ngomongezi ukhona.
Sengijolo uMongezi
uNkululeko usecretary.
uNkululeko
Ya uyena okade usecretary ngene esikhaleni sakhe. UNkululeko Ngubane.
Oh, okay, no, ngiyakuzwa. But ikhona into eshilo engicabanga ukuthi balekile, justice delayed is the justice denied. Bengibuka le ngifuna ukuthi sithinte lezi zinto. Ngifuna ukwazi iposition ye-EFF. Senzo Meyiwa. I think 2014 wenzeka lento October 26 if memory doesn't deceive me. We understand ukuthi justice system yasemzansi through that case sesingayiregard nje ukuthi lento iBanana Republic hopefully ukuthi njabe sekuvela izinto ezikanjena mhlambe zinika ithemba ne.
Definitely, because if you hear a story partly there ukuthi kunesibhamu sejudge that was involved in the case. I think Advocate Tefo said that ukuthi khona ijaji isibhamu esasilaphana kuyisona esalimaza isibhamu esasebenzile ingane yayilimaza ngaso ingane ejaji umfowabo kaChiko and all of that. We don't know whether it's true or not, but all I'm saying, it tells you how deep that story is. How much those people have tried to defend and protect any of those that are involved in that case. But see happy njoba usho na ukuthi I think there is progress and there is definitely going to be progress. Into esiphatha kabi leyo ukuthi you know Kelly Khumalo has always been daring the justice system ethi mbizeni I will talk. But it's never been called. Why? You know, who is afraid to listen to what Kelly Khumalo is going to say? But I've got confidence ukuthi these processes manje akhona azosisa la esifuna ukuthi siya khona ukuthi uSenzo Meyiwa athole ijustice nanongamubani othintekayo. I know baba kaSenzo uzwadlula emhlabeni ekhala ngokuthi uyafuna ukubona ukuthi obani abalimaza ingane yakhe, but akukaze kwenzeke. Kodwa we are hoping as supporters of Orlando Pirates as well, that we are definitely going to find.
Nathi njenge-Kaizer Chiefs siyanisupporta kuleyo case ukuthi engathi ingagcina ixazululekile.
No, definitely.
Abantu aba-involved ngempela umthetho udlale indawo yawo. Yazi bengibheka la futhi Vukani mhlawumbe uzongilekelela kakhulu ukudeteriorate kwe-EFF ukwashiya abantu abaningi bethukile because i-EFF at one stage binama members lapha legislature I think awu 8 but manje ehlele ku2 ngicabanga ukuthi leyo decline into serious kakhulu. Ngiya understand futhi ne issue tribalism personally I don't know whether na handlisha kahle ni issue yama foreigners nokuvula kwama borders. Ngicabanga ukuthi bese nenze ihomework yenu le research yini edale le decline engaka angazi noma ngibalile issue tribalism as well. Bengase mhlambe usibekele futhi ukuthi yini ngokophenyo lwenu elenze nehla kangaka yini futhi ucabanga ukuthi bese nibuyela nje ubuyela kubantu nje sesikubonile ukuthi all over uyanyathela la khona abantu ezokwenza ukuthi nibuyelwe isidima lesi sike sabakhona during leadership yabo Vusikhosana.
No, ngicabanga ukuthi we have gone back to the drawing board. Siyazi ukuthi silimale at the time siya kuma election there was the former the deputy president Floyd deployed here KwaZulu Natal. There was issue MK, you know, I know Floyd is not a ground person. He can give you theory and marks and and all of that, but he's not on the ground. So we used to say when we go on the ground, hey, there is something happening here called MK. This thing, if not taken serious, inayo into yokuthi can collapse, a lot of us, many of us as political parties. It was
MK ngathi yes izochawa kakhulu
exactly.
EFF.
I mean, the ANC committed the same mistake, the arrogance of those disbanded leaders, Umtolo.
Yeah.
They did the same, arrogantly so, never paid attention to the MK myth. Then it shocked us on election because we were not paying attention to it.
Yeah.
So that's what happened. If you look at it at the time, our membership of the EFF was sitting at 80,000 plus members, but we got 70 plus thousand votes, which means the people that only voted for us are our people who have joined the EFF. Those that just like the EFF and support us who are not members.
Ama-students ayaphelela lapha ayesekubo because ni popular ngokuthi ama-students understand.
Some of them were part of our being members of the EFF. Not the majority of them, but they have taken up membership. So those are the only people that we could secure ama votes wabo. Laba abathathe abo 10 rand babo ba join. And we want to thank them for that. That at least our members did not betray us ngesikhathi siwadinga the most, because we've got those 2 seats because of them. So now we've gone back to say, how can we increase our base? Instead of sitting at 80,000 or so, let us increase. As I come here, was sitting at 96, close to 97,000 membership. So we're trying to increase that base to say, let's have more people joining, taking up membership with 10 rand. We've disbanded our regions and said, let us decentralize power and the organization. We must just be VD and sub-regional based. Sibe la abantu bekhona, because that's where the struggles are. That's why we were able yesterday to visit what one umhlathuze kusemakhaya pha. Yabona leyo ukuthi siya kuphi manje la khona abantu touch and feel, yabona ukuze organization ikwazi ukuthi iphile. That's what we are doing. So yikho ngithi ke sesibuyelile ku drawing board sabona ukuthi uma sinama members amaningi, abantu laba aba showcase esine confident ukuthi no matter what bazosivotela, asambe siyofuna bona.
Uyayibeka kanjalo ke uvukani Ndlovu unobhala we-EFF la e-KZN kade ke aqala uvukani ukujoina i-EFF. I think you joined the EFF from its inception, yeah?
Yeah.
Inception. Yeah. So uyayibeka indaba kodwa sisafuna ukwazi ukuthi kule ndaba ke yabantu bokufika like ama borders i-reality ithi evukani siya understand.
Yes.
Understand ukufika kwabantu bakwamanye amazwe because nabantu bethu reality ithi bakhona kwamanye amazwe.
Yes.
Understand leyo. So but the way nisho ngayo lento yo borderless le kophela kwabapoti sidobi kanjani ngoba phela I strongly believe again ukuthi government jabe ifuna labantu ba process. It's because fanele wazi ukuthi country ninginobani o kanjani, understand wonke umuntu abe accounted for. Because it's dangerous. Soba nabantu nje azazi nokuthi obalaba who's this one, who's that one, understand that the country is wandelwa na crime and abantu abenza lezo zinto bangabanjwa. Are you still maintaining indaba yokuthi kufanele kube nesimo sokuvuleka kwamabhoda eMzansi?
Is it the issue of maintaining yini sizwe? Because EFF is not in government. We're not in government. The ANC,
but
the
aren't we a
ANC
government
is,
in
and
waiting?
now it's GNU. Tina we are saying, of which at that time, so betina sesazi ukuthi sigmanager kanjani lokho. But for now, abantu abavulela amabhoda, abantu kwi-border is the ANC government. Because amasosha, I mean, if you look at the budget yamasosha namaphoyisa kuma-border gate, you know, a typical example, namhlanje mawufuna ukuya la eSwaziland or eMozambique, hamba uye laphana, mina I've been. Abantu bayayisukela la bawele baye ngaphesheya. eSwazini, it's the same case. Ikhona i-border gate, but there is a fence there. Abantu bayakwazi ukuyingenela besuke eSwazini bezongena eSouth Africa
No, but
without being
but
highly
Vukani,
monitored.
angithi sizama ukuthi labo basuke bekwenza ngendlela illegal. Ngifuna iposition ye-EFF because ngathi EFF ngendlela esuke ibekeke ngayo. Ngifuna
We are saying wonke umuntu oseningizimu neAfrika ngokusemthethweni is allowed to be South Africa. Ngokusemthethweni. Whoever is here ngokungekho emthethweni, that person akabuyiselwe ezweni lakubo. Lana akube khona abantu abazosebenza either skilled or bezele into ngesikhathi lesabazele sona bahambe.
So EFF no operation Tutula no march and march kuhambe emgqino wona.
No, you see the problem, where the problem is, you can't expect me ukuthi ngithi ngiyokhipha umuntu eclinic kukhona amaphoyisa ekufanele ngabenza umsebenzi wokwenza lokho. Bangena kanjani abantu kwi-border? Bahlala kuphi labantu where they are getting, because if you go to a point, for instance, there's a police station at a point. There are people selling drugs at a point. Amaphoyisa khona a point. Why angabathatha baxoshe noma babophe? You know, why should it be issue yakho yokuthi uthatha umthetho ezandleni zakho? Kukhona abantu, you know, sense omkhulu of the ANC in responsible ngamaphoyisa azi ukuthi kunemetha yase point but anga act. So we are saying le issue noma le crisis nayo akusinto nje, into that is political. So but mistake leyo ukuthi abantu bathi hayi yithi sithi akusuka abantu bazongena eSouth Africa. Abantu bayangena because vele manje it's borderless.
So ngiyafuna ukuthi kuqiniswe. Ngifuna iposition
What we are saying, what we are saying is that amabhoda umekhona wasebenze ngendlela efanelekile. But one day we want to see Africa being borderless, because lento yamabhoda was not created by us as blacks. It was created by abelungu, the same people in South Africa, noma la KwaZulu Natal, aba create iBhalito, Durban North, nomhlanga. Then basibe create uMashu neClermont neChesterville. Ukuze umuntu wakaMashu azi ukuthi yena ubelonga kwaMashu kuphela, akana jurisdiction noma akakwazi ukuthi ahambe ayohlala. It's the same thing, that is the system that was created yamabhoda eyokuthi umuntu oseZimbabwe nase Nigeria akafani nami, siyafana, umnotho uyi-one. That's why ngesinye isikhathi kufanele sihambe sithi Africa should be one, just like they are doing, they are trying to do. Nabo bano European Union, what they want to be together, united. Nabo Tina, on the other hand, Africa, we must be divided. Why? So that's what we are saying. Policy wise,
So nibona
economically, ukuze Africa ikwazi ukuthi igrow economically, ngesinye isikhathi kufanele senze njani, sikwazi ukulekelelana as African countries, sisupportane ukuze Africa izokwazi ukuqhubeka ibe khona, because if we don't do that, we are going to perish.
into engifuna ukuyibuye ngiyicheck la ukuthi lezi zinto Vukani njengosopolitiki,
Yes.
nigcina lento ekuthiwa lip service, or nibona ukuthi lezi zinto one day mhlambe not this generation, any generation zogcina zenzekile. I'm asking this question simply because we have or we had people like President Ghana, Kwame Nkrumah, championing United States of Africa. I think le kude go 19 ban,
Yes.
understand alone. Lento nishoyo ithi ayihambisane, understand alone. Africa for Africans and stuff, understand alone. Till today, yini le plan enayo as EFF because le borderless iyabasabisa abantu abaningi. Why? Because bobhekisisa ezinye zezinto ezenzekalayo eSouth Africa engahambi kahle, like your drugs, like shushumbiswa kwabantu, human trafficking, isikhathi esiningi, not all the time, but kusuke kunomuntu wakwelinye izwe, understand lento eganga la, understand, and why babe hard for abantu, it's simply because kufa ingane, by the way, ngendaba zama-drugs. Ama-drugs awathathi nje light, but kufa ingane. Human trafficking, hamba uyoshiya ingane, uthatha ingane uyise esikoleni, uthi sithathiwe abantu bayoyishushumbisa. Bakhala ngalezi zinto bese ba-practical. Ma-issues umsebenzi, bakhala ngabantu abasuka ngaphandle, especially abalegal. Sekuyibona ama-tuck shop amaningi. I don't think ukuthi we want that. I don't think that's what EFF is saying. Yiko ngithi mina position ye-EFF here and now kungamnandi okungajabulisa ukuyazi ukuthi when it comes to issue yama-border, when it comes to illegal immigrants, this is the position ye-EFF. Understand that? Lezi zinto engiyibalayo ungayishiyi ngaphandle lezi zinto engiyibalayo zoma-drugs, zo-human trafficking, nazo zonke lezi zinto thothi bahlupha ngazo, kuthiwe usisikavukani useshade nomunye umuntu, seyi-permanent citizen yasemzansi, zonke lezo zinto vukani. I think abantu bakhala ngalezo zinto.
No, I agree, but angifuni mina, not that I'm trying to defend abantu bokufika. Angifuni sithathe issue yama-drugs siyibeke kubona per se. Because issue yama-drugs, even the South Africans are highly involved with issue yama-drugs. Whether bona basebenza nabo or what, but by their choice, they decide ukuthi ba-manufacture noma badayisa ama-drugs. We're talking about the case that esikhuluma ngayo DJ eJohannesburg ukuthi kwantshontshwa ama-drugs e-police station. Where are Nigerians there? There's none. You know, go to Phoenix.
Antshontsha police station.
Yes.
Yazi mhlambe
Go to Phoenix.
yazi bengicela
Go to Chatsworth.
Bengicela ukuthi mhlambe after le interview or mhlambe after i-Judge Madlanga commission.
Yeah.
Because gathi le commission, I'm not saying,
Yeah.
but I foresee danger as well.
Yeah.
Ukuthi maningi abantu abangase ba implicated.
Definitely.
One ama-issues ama-drugs, because no, I believe ukuthi lento yaseba-police station.
Kwantshontshwa 200 million worth of drugs
Yeah.
at police station got missing.
Mina ngezwe kushuthi kwathiwa kwafika ethize futhi lento lezi yathathwa yakuthukiswa somewhere, according to Tito though.
Yes.
Isource.
Yeah.
Yathathwa yathukiswa somewhere. Wafika lo wayo commissioner before, I think wakasithole. Wayithatha naye understand lento, and bengathanda sikhulume kakhulu le ukuthi ama-South Africans or akona ama-South Africans.
Yes.
Because maybe right laba engibabalayo abantu base-South Africa laba badlala leyo
Yes.
game, mhlawumbe ke into esafanele sivisit.
Now, on the other hand, because of the unemployment, you know, the failure of our policies, you know, abosisi abasebenzi. Now, but decide because la bafuna ubuzo, it is by their choice as well.
Oba.
Osisi bashade nani nalabantu bangapha bashadelana nabo.
No, I think lesi correct ke futhi lapho. Akusi choice yabo. Uyabona lento yendlala vukani ikwenzisa noma yini. Ngiunderstand isibo sopolitiki ukuthi lento libendize phezulu. Mina ngiyahamba nawe game plus. Kwathola ama-issues omphakathi. Real issues. Akathandi naye. But unikwe lousy 500 rands. Understand alone?
Yeah.
Why? Because South Africa, imsebenzi ayikho. nina as politicians benenza lento lip
Who's
service
responsible?
nithi nina ambani niyofunda ngebhadi leno zosopolitiki ingane iresponde positively kwicall yokuthi aziyofunda but manje zihleli nama-degree emakhaya ayisakhuluni isincane lento yokuthi hambani yofunda because kunabantu abaningi abasha abanye baze bame nasey'tobhini but ama-politicians ngathi awanazwela akunasisi
Yikho-ke thina manje sithi let us introduce a-grant for those people who are job seeking.
is that i-solution vele
It's an immediate solution because if I'm sitting at home with my degree, a diploma, and I'm looking for a job, which is a responsible of the government also to create jobs. That's why EFF ikhuluma ngo-industrialization, ikhuluma ngo-nationalization, that we've got mines. You know, my brother, I once visited Russia. You know, Koning Company Cement, it has employed everyone. So South Africa can also do the same. We've got a lot of mines and industries here which can be taken by government and employ all the young people. Ubanika ama-benefits okufanelekile bawathole ama-benefits. But our own government decide not to do that. Lana, the richer is getting richer and the poorer is getting poorer. Ilento yani your privatization namathenda kumanje we are even failing to sustain amalokuzana or SAA and all of that. We've collapsed all amalokuzana lezi zinto zikahulumeni. So where are jobs going to come from? Because imisebenzi fanele idalwe usizwe a creator eyakhe imisebenzi to maximize profits because he's a private individual, you know. But the duty of creating employment is government because government will not maximize profits but will provide service to abantu ukuze in return bezokhokha ama-taxes and contribute sustain government. So it is the government that must change its policies introduce ama-policies azokwazi ukuthi athathe iningizimu Africa ayibeke into a better place. We will not have labantu abangenayo beze eningizimu Africa because they know South Africa they are going to exploit us things that are not done in their own countries because of our own government.
mina ngiyayizwa uyayibeka kahle evukani kodwa lezi zinto zigcina ziyi-theory I'm sorry to say that because siphila manje kwi-global village. Understand?
Yes.
I don't know how many countries do we have ngempela practice lento eshoyo manje i-reality ithi kusebenza this system ye-capitalism.
That's why it's
Sadly,
some socialist
sadly,
and communist.
capitalism-
We want to move to that
Sadly,
direction.
capitalism promotes individualism. Individualism ihambisana exploitation of the proletariat.
Yes.
Sadly so. But i-reality ithi singayifezekisa nini lezi zinto oyishoyo.
Abavoteli
Because-
EFF abantu.
No.
Simuve siye kwi-socialism.
But i-EFF
Total.
i-EFF izobe ingayodwa. Kuzofaka i-trade namanye ama-countries. Understand that? That is why kunabantu okuthiwa bama-investors and what's not. Understand? I-EFF bethi nayo izothatha ibicabanga ukuthi sizosebenza in silos. I don't think but my view doesn't matter. Anyway, bese ngithi angiyibeke nje ukuthi sometimes ezinye izinto siyayi-theorize, understand?
franchised
Like
the
United
EFF.
States of Africa.
Yes.
As ngikutshela. There was a guy called Kwame Nkrumah.
Yeah.
There's a guy called, I think, Kenya, Mwali ngikhohlwe igama lakhe. But people like those who were championing this thing, better from Cape to Kare,
Yes.
Madagascar to Morocco. Stuff like that, those slogans, but they remain ama-slogans. Kuze kube uyayifela, kungene enye generation. They sound nice, but
The hindrance is always the case of sellouts. You know, every phase.
So nje wayisapha ama
in a-
sellouts.
in a sellout yakhona. Every phase in a sellout yakhona. Njengoba nathi kule generation yethu there's another sellout. Now I'm saying that's
Imaphi ama-sellouts
that's what
la?
derails.
Floyd Shivambu. Yiphi sellout?
You know, when we are saying we are building a formidable force, then you decide a breakaway. You are selling out an agenda. Because you are weakening the strength of a black person. Lento yokuthi sibe divided kanjena as black political parties or organization. It's not by nje ukuthi into eziqhamukelayo. It is well funded and orchestrated by the same white monopoly capital, just to keep our voice divided. If you know there can be a serious black caucus, then
Why I'm happy because when omunye obokuqala abajoin iEFF, why nayivumela ukuthi iziqale nangasho ukuthi yazi this is another way of a white person dividing us, guys. Let's stick with the ANC.
no, I mean on the issue of land, the resolution was taken in Parliament. Let's give abantu umhlaba, the Section 25. Has it been implemented?
Phela ngithi the how part of it. Mina nithi let's give abantu land, but the how part of it are we address ukuthi sizokwenza kanjani lo.
But I'm saying-
Khona umhlaba owazi ukuthi ugovernment responsible for wona, khona umhlaba obelonga to white people. I'm mhlawumbe wrong ukuthi obelonga to white people, but osesezandleni zabamhlophe.
But what did we say? What are we saying about that in ourselves? As government, do you know in eThekwini here, we've got people that were dislocated because of the floods. Today, they still do not have houses. They are housed in flats. The municipalities are paying a million a day. In one flat, they are paying 1 million a day. We can't build houses. You know why, my brother? It's because the land in Umdloti, the land in Durban North does not belong to the government. The person that is owning the land is saying to government, if I must sell you this land, I'm going to charge you 50 billion. But the budget that we have, yokwakha izindlu, is 2 billion.
No,
That's why we are saying let's expropriate without compensation if it's going to benefit the people and the state.
so who's disputing that?
It's the ANC. They cannot implement that. They don't. We said we can no longer sit in the ANC because we have realized that the ANC is hijacked.
So-
that's why even today, all the policies that they took the policy of gear. It assisted who? The gear.
So tell me, Vukani, ANC, I think the playing field is leveled, especially manje we're talking about local government elections. That's a looming. Sidedele manje.
Yes.
Ukuthi hambani niyokhuluma nabantu baconvince.
Yes.
EFF ine chance ukuthi uconvince abantu
Most definitely.
ukuthi nithathe ipower.
Definitely.
iANC ine opportunity manje ukuza ama local government uthi yo convince abantu ukuthi kuthathwe ipower. EFF IFP azapho njalo njalo. Understand? Niyahamba niyokhuluma nabantu. Abantu banilalela or banganilaleli or balaleli ANC bathi abantu we are giving this organization a non-negotiable mandate ukuthi izifiso zethu bayifezekise. Nina need step in bese nizobuya after ke manje seniza na these good things abantu abayi-rejectile because basuke beyi-rejectile angithi because after 5 years siya kuma elections, after 5 years siya kuma elections. Why don't you leave these guys abanikwe imandate abantu ukuthi qhubekani nenze uyeza kodwa 5 years beke sabuya thina siyawuthatha ipower ngene ngoba senihlulekile, but nina niba phezulu ekutheni ngathi nidisturb laba abanikwe imandate abantu. Angithi you listen to abantu nina.
But we've got our policies to advocate.
No, it's fine, particularly period kulo 5 years basuke bethe hayi nina this time nina enokwenza okuproper ukuthi niyoyimisela kuthi beqala ama-campaigns seniya-campaigna niyayithatha phela ipower yabona why disturb phela abantu abaphela.
Unfortunately, my brother, in politics, you don't leave vacuum. You occupy space. You know, every day you've got to occupy
So
that
ngithi
space.
mina Vukani ake nizame ukuthi nithathe ipower
Yeah.
ukuze kungalele kubhekwana ne-ANC kubhekwana ne-ANC ithatheni ipower ze-AFF. Ngangijabula kabi uLokhuzana i-former colleague yakho
Yeah.
former comrade uFloyd Shivambu wayengayishinda ukuthi we are the government in waiting.
yeah.
Up until today government in waiting
No.
waze wahamba. It's fine government in waiting but manje sent number 3 nini. I said overtake yini
Wanongoma, we have
MK
taken
as well.
power with the IFP. We're government there. Now, I'm saying in some areas, we have taken that power.
But nithathe ngobackdoor waleyo power.
There's no.
Hambani niyovotela, you understand lot into enzeke kwanongoma you back that way you know.
It is because people did not give anyone a mandate. Just like here in KwaZulu-Natal, no one was given a mandate by the people of KwaZulu-Natal to govern KwaZulu-Natal.
Yeah.
So in that space,
That
you
is why
can't say-
sine-GPU. Le GPU
It is
enirejectayo nini. But
It is
i-GPU
no, we are not
is simply
rejecting.
because abantu bathi asikwazi ukunika nonke amavoti angithi.
I agree, yes.
Exactly. And then you but kuzoqhamuka your MK, kuzoqhamuka your EFF, I think inalega Zungulu, lithi nama progressive forces.
And let's correct you. Let's correct you. We're not rejecting the GNU.
Yeah.
We're not rejecting the GPU. The only thing we're rejecting in the GNU and in the GPU is the DA. We don't want anything
So what about labantu
that is going to associate us. It is their choice. We can't be working with people who killed our forefathers and grandfathers and grandmothers and our brothers and sisters as the national party. They have not changed and they are not willing to change even today. I was in Khayelitsha this over the weekend.
yeah.
Go and look at the conditions our black people are living under in Cape Town, under the total government of the DA. The provincial government is DA, councils there are DA. Go and look at those people's conditions.
But angithi basa allocate imali unational.
But
Unational ugodongwane we-ANC.
exactly.
Exactly.
Because
Why
they are
can't they
forced.
take the initiative ukuthi yazi ukuthini abantu bethu bayastrugglisha laphana ukuthi ubani ophethe because ithina esitedela ama-cent it's immaterial. Let's go and solve if ikhona i-willingness. I think kuthiwa into yepolitiki iba nenkinga yokuthi leyo willingness ayikho from ama-politicians because singa-addresswa lesa simo engase kuba ukuthi ni-serious. Ngithi mina back to the question ye-ANC lelokhuzana why ningabuyeli emasebeni kubantu niyomobilize abantu ukuthi bavotele i-EFF ithathe ipower kunokuthi abantu bangene kwipower ngendlela abangene ngayo nina nibangumsindo for labantu ngoba phela and disrespect yini the very same people abathe sifuna le GPU laphana i-ANC ingene and bakhona phela nabavotela i-DA. Understand leyo nto nayi i-DA inama-ministers kwawena for sure uthanda ungathanda operator ngokwemgomo yabo. Understand khona abaphethe public works khona abaphethe understand into baphethe finance
Yes.
yase-KZN. When we are power besoza kulowo bani yikho yithi mina lezi zinto ifana na sometimes lip service or rhetoric nje ukuthi we don't want that, we don't want i-reality ithi labantu bahleli basebenza laba bantu. Understand
Yeah.
alone why ngabi namama instead of chasing lizard, why don't you deal with the crocodile? Because the crocodile that is against you, sit down with the people abantu kube ne-service delivery kuma-masses because abantu ba-interested kwi-service delivery. Abantu ba-worried ngokuthi amanzi awekho. They're not interested ukuthi
No, it's true.
i-DA as i-DA is in power because leyo nto ayibaphi imali. Understand that abantu abanamsebenzi. Let's deal with the real issues. Hence I'm saying stop chasing a lizard, deal with the crocodile. Abantu baxakekile mfethu.
Yes,
But nina nenzani? Ni warisha ukuthi i-DA yenzani, i-DA into engeke isize ngalutho.
No, we're on the ground. I think we must take that.
Lapho I
what I
agree.
say. We're trying this time around to go on the ground every day. You know, everywhere in KwaZulu-Natal, we're trying our level best. And I can tell you, next year, come 2026, I think in the majority, municipalities in KwaZulu-Natal will definitely be having mayors ran by the EFF. Because there are serious opportunities out there. We've realized that, you know, there is no any other political party that can speak abantu bayizwe.
Ini wrong MK?
It's the instabilities that are there. You know, it is centralized in within one.
Malema and Zuma
We've got
for me.
structures. We've gone to our own conferences. We're a democratic party. The MK has not done that until today. They've got no willingness to have conferences. They will go to, we're just waiting the day they elect their candidates, councillor candidate. It means they will be on top of each other
But
because
Vukani, they
there
can
are no
say the
systems
same
there.
because nani kuvuka kulala indoda ungazi ukuthi si consult bani ithi ama deputy mayors angiwadingi. But sengisho ukuthi
It was a decision
that
of the
thing-
structure.
that-
We, you know, at that decision of it, when it was taken, there was a CCT meeting. We're there, invited.
Vukani,
There were issues that were put forward on why that should be happening.
Yeah.
I think I want to agree with you that some of the things, you know, at that time, I think some of the things that, you know, ezenza ukuthi sifike lapho. Ikhona le element yokuthi uma siqala ukungena kwi-power. Sometimes, you know, the blue lights and all of that, sometimes then we get consumed. So the decision that this thing is not going to work for us because instead ukuthi isilekelele sibukeka sizongcoliseka singcoliswa izinto esifica kulabo masipala kanti maybe we are not equal to the task. We don't have that human capacity in terms of defending the organization ourselves, which might also be dangerous. Mangakufaka manje ngikwenza uDeputy President, khona izinto ezingakubamba zikudide usubone zibekwe phambi kwakho kanti you were not ready at that time. You weren't isibambile at that time. Not because the president just wanted to say, angisabafuni ngoba ngisabafuni. It was just political on our sense to say what comes first is to have deputy mayors or to protect the organization from vulnerability and exposure on many other things which might be dangerous to the organization. Then the question was, no, for now let's retreat on these things because anyway vele asibawinanga labo masipala izinto esiyithole because sisebenza nobani. Let's allow them basebenze nalaba because kunama issues of corruption and many other things in those offices. There were issues Zululand at that time, a lot of allegations that were there, kwaziswa, mantombazane, sex for work and all of that. So we did not want it to be part and be clouded by those things. Hence we said, no, let's retreat because we'll end up having to defend. Angithi we are working with these people. Sizofana siba defend manje. There's a case in Umkhanyakude. We must speak about it. The ANC, their forensic reports, they've decided to lock the gate for the past 2 weeks. People are not getting services in Umkhanyakude. We are working, my brother. We are having an MMC there. It's NECOMID. So
Yeah.
what must happen? Defend the ANC or the people? We
Ngicabanga
must go on the side of the people.
Ngicabanga avinzima lento yeni ngoba manje kwesinye isikhathi nithi nikhuluma ngecorruption ekufanele bwe defend nabantu aba implicated kwi VBS.
That's why we say let's you know, it's safe for us to do so until we get absolute power. People vote for us to govern. You know, from time to time sizongena
No.
siphume.
I reality ithi kodwa abantu abasawathembi kakhulu into ephuma emlomeni yama politicians. because
Yeah,
i-politician
ANC ngoba
alinqeni
i-corrupt.
ukuthi i-politician ngicela nimbambe obanjiwe ukuthi uyena owabulala laphana kungagcinwa ngaye kodwa kulandwe nalo wathumela ekugcineni kuthiwa hawu naye lo muntu lo
Yeah, no.
ube involved yabona ukuthi it's so disappointing and lento politician ithathwa serious kanti ngathi ama-honorable nibizana kanjalo kodwa manje uthothi umdlalo but Vukani asithembe ukuthi next time mfethu sizosakha futhi isikhathi
kakhulu.
siphinde siqhubeke ngezinye zezinto i-concern or i-major concern today bekukuthi ngempela i-EFF yangabonakala ekubeni izwe lisha because sinazi njengabantu phela abavamise ukuthi niqale ey'ntweni you understand leyo though ngithanda ukuthi kube ngingafiki ekugcineni yabona ngikhuluma nge-issue yeledi egcinisiwe into nje ekhulunywayo nje ngayindawo yabo i-issue yeledi understand abantu are concerned ukuthi how do we then repossess our dispossessed but up until now i-EFF izoyikhulumela nje ngathi kumdlalo yabona befike ejoyitini ningazi nizokwenzani hayi issue yeledi sifuna iledi sifuna you understand igcine iwumdlalo Vukani manje bese iwumdlalo kanjalo igcine sinenza ningathatheki serious but I'm happy ukuthi nayiyeka lento ukuthi kudisturbe nasemaphalamende because kuthiwa i-EFF uyatshengisa immaturity ukuthi you have to move on.
We are raising very fundamental issues manje. Yeah.
I agree but
Our
ngendlela
sharp.
ehlukile.
Very professional.
Yeah. That is why nanize ngicela
We've raised the bar now.
there is
No one can match us there. You know those commissars, they've just raised the bar. I mean, we see Minister Unobuhle Nkabane sitting at home today because of the EFF exposing those issues of boards. So we've just raised the bar. We're very investigative.
no Usihlelos I think is doing very well.
I'm telling you.
And there's another two guys from Patriotic Alliance who are doing very, very well.
They can't
to
match
keep
us.
those guys accountable.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter, but what matters to me are my issues that they are raising.
No, I agree,
yabona.
I agree.
So, Vukani, asithemba ukuthi ngelinye ilanga futhi bese kucela mfethu sasizokhuluma ngendaba 18 i-EFF kuza ama-elections manje
Yes.
futhi kufanele uyi-frequent le ndawo because
Yeah,
kakhulu nezinto ey'thinta i-politics hopefully ukuthi siyokuthola siyixoxe lento size sifike to its-logical conclusion ngiyafisa ukuthi sibuye sindlale nezinto ngoba maningi ama-issues
Yeah.
athinta abantu basemzansi especially abantu bebesalambile kuyohlele kunenkinga.
Yeah.
Understand?
No, see-
No, nama-politicians ahamba ngey'moto ey'nkulu and they speak on behalf of poor people. Doesn't make
Kunokuhamba
sense though,
ngey'ncane,
ne?
it's it.
Bonile la ufike ngqufuqu.
Hayi. Incane kakhulu.
Okay.
No, sibonga kakhulu. Ake ngithatha ithuba nami ngibonga kakhulu. Just to be invited. Nanokuthi iminyango ivulekile, it is us that must go and and engage. Sibatshela abantu imisebenzi emihle siyenzayo. Bazi ukuthi sitholakala kuphi nendawo. I-office lethu lise 86 Bulwa Road la eGlenwood la ngaseBria uma befuna ukusithola abantu bazosithola khona ngaso sonke isikhathi.
Khona i-watering hole la eduzane.
Yes. So abantu abasithole khona sikhona KwaZulu Natal everywhere. No, si ready for ama elections esiqalile. We are on boardrooms on the ground preparing for the local government election. Abantu bahluphekile inhloso ngqangi ukuthi abantu abaphume ebheni sishintshe isimo sokuphila kwabantu sikhonela wona abantu baseNingizimu Afrika nothing else ikakhulu KwaZulu Natal ngoba thina siKwaZulu Natal sithi abaphume emakhamandeleni enhlupheke babambile emakhaya uhulumeni abaxhase bakwazi ukuthi balime batshale benze yonke into emadolobheni imisebenzi emincane ekhona itholwe yibo abantu who are deserving ukuthi benze lo msebenzi abaseNingizimu Afrika nabakwaZulu Natal. Siyabonga kakhulu sizwe mfethu.
Sibonga kakhulu futhi nabantu enibakhiqizile njengosiHlelozi ngespretend as if asibaboni siyababona
abonaledi Chirwa
unaledi Chira bancane futhi ushadile Vukani ushatelwe
yes I am
responsible
very much.
the only part ongekho responsible ngayo ukusupport iPirates
The Buccaneers
uzwile kade dlala icup
ihluliwe Chiefs.
nokade dlala icup but sitshengise ukuba strong ukuthi sidlale icup singakaze dlala kanti icup final normally kuvamise ukuba into ekanjani ethi nidlala namanye amaqembu nibe senifika kwi-cup final but uyibona into enziwe i-Chiefs ngakaze idlale namuntu
kufanele ibuke thina this weekend sidlala i-top 8 ngoba yona ayikho ku-top 8. I'm sure you'll come and support Chiefs players will watch football there over the weekend. Kudlala thina abakwi-top 8 ompetha.
Ngazi ngoba ngizokuthiya umfuke ngiseni umchithile. So Vukani bo relaxa kuphi? Nje bothi uyihlalele namajita usahlala namajita noma usuyila
abafana abahlala nabo. Ngiyasonta ngiyahlala namajita. I don't do revolutionary water. I just drink holy water. So I go, but have a good time out with the family because most of the time sisitholayo isikhathi amajita ngaleso sikhathi, but because we are always consumed by organizational work, being a secretary is not an easy thing, my brother. Every day you are in meetings, this and that. Ngiye meeting nje manje. Mangisuka khona ngiya kwenye meeting. Mangisuka kuleyo ngiya kwenye meeting. When you get home it's 9, 10. So mawuthola isikhathi esincane, you want to take the family out. The kids must also find time now. So it's just hectic in politics.
Yeah, that is why nje kubalekile wena Vukani njengonobhala ukuthi involve nabanye abantu simply because ukhonzuma indaba yaba meeting kakhulu kanti ufike ubuye uphunyele la ngaphandle nje ngicabanga nje ngikhumbuza indaba yabacula athi umuntu ngisestudio njalo ngisestudio kuyaphunywa phela kumakethwe kupromote zonke lezo zinto but sibonye kakhulu ngempela ngesikhathi sakho ukuthi usinike Vukani unobhala we-EFF KZN but banama office la ngaseBrain into fanele uyenze nje bofuna ukuba imember ye-EFF uthi nginipromote halfway ngaseBria uzothola bekhona or kuma institutions of higher learning they are doing well lapha nakusho ukuthi banayo into ekuthiwa iCOSAS ubabamba
Sne Youth Command manje kodwa there was a student youth command as well.
No, nasibonge kakhulu mfethu ngesikhathi sakho. Sizwe Ploy said this is iNews Avenue. Wenze sure ukuthi uyayilandela, uyaposta, uyalika, uyakhomenta, wenza everything nje ezohlanganisa nathi ibalekile. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi ama local government elections asesemome. Uyayibona isazothathana sizwe uVukani kuthiwe wenzani uVukani sisazoyibona leyo. Ngicela ube prepared because into ezenzakala.
I could anytime.
Don't you dare do what I wouldn't do. If you do it, please take pictures. See you in 7.
Thank you.
Informative, entertaining, and straight to the point. News Avenue, where the truth meets the streets.
Shoot.